Hello, and welcome to another TA Tech Tip. In this Tech Tip, we showcase the Tzero powder sample preparation kit and how to use it in DSC Tzero aluminum pan preparation. Loading powder samples into a DSC pan can oftentimes be a frustrating, messy, and time-consuming process. You need to make sure that your sample gets inside and is distributed along the bottom of the pan as evenly as possible for the best quality data. Powder that does not make it inside the pan during loading can end up on the outer wall or upper flange of the Tzero DSC pan. This can lead to improperly sealed lids and potentially DSC contamination. The Tzero powder sample kit allows for more control in powder sample loading. It consists of a 3-part tool for sample preparation, as well as a non-skid base for the tool to sit in while in use. The tool is exclusively for use with Tzero aluminum DSC pans. The lower tool has a recess machined into either side, which can accept either the standard Tzero pan or the low mass Tzero pan. The pan will sit with the flange flush to the top of the tool. The low mass pan side is indicated with an LM. To use the kit, place the lower tool in the base with the pan type opening you will use facing up. Place a Tzero pan in the recess with tweezers. The channel on the tool allows you to lower the pan all the way down until it is flush with the top. The upper tool mounts over the lower tool. It is a funnel which makes powder loading easier, and it also serves to cover the flange of the Tzero pan, meaning all powder loaded through the tool will go inside the pan. You can use the rod to pack the sample into the bottom of the pan. This improves contact with the bottom of the pan and can also allow for greater loading levels, which increases heat flow signal, while maintaining pan bottom flatness. Finally, you can remove the top tool and pick up the pan with tweezers by coming in from the side. After you put your chosen lid on your pan, the sample is ready to run. In this TA Tech Tip, we went over the Tzero powder sample preparation kit. Please stay tuned for more helpful tips from TA Instruments, and thank you for your interest.